Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat Sport with the 502A package. Now the exterior color is a magnetic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlights, as well as LED daytime running lights with a pair of fog lamps, as well as we have our front engine block here connection, as well as our front facing camera. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aftermarket aluminum wheels wrapped and our Goodyear tires. We also have our OEM running boards with our color matched mirror caps and color matched door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our twin panel moonroof, and this Lariat also comes with remote start. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection as our trailer hitch connection. We also have a spare fifth wheel underneath, as well as our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our LED taillights and our power release tailgate. And inside our tailgate we have a tailgate step, and inside our box we have a spray and bed liner, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At the interior we have loads of driver friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we have our blind spot information system. And over at our steering column we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings on the left, and on the right we have our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up we have our auto dimming rear view mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage door opener points, our switch for our rear sliding window, and our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 130,592 kilometers on this beautiful F-150. And over ahead we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for climate control, audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as we can hit our camera icon on the top right, which allows for display of a reverse camera, as well as our front facing camera. And as we look here, we have our controls for our sync display down below, and just underneath we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as air conditioning and heated seats for both driver and passenger. We also have a 12-volt adapter and dual smart charging USB ports. And over at our center console we have our console shift, which has our manual select option of 6 different speeds, our lane keep assist, as well as our dual cup holders, and our center console with loads of storage underneath and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage, as well as ambient lighting and power windows. They can also enjoy storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have an AC outlet with dual heated seats and a 12-volt adapter, as well as we have dual ventilation to keep the air circulating in the rear. And with our 60-40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with tons of legroom, as well as loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have, and I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.